Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back, and today, as you can tell by the intro, we're getting into a hairdo. We have this gorgeous chestnut ombre brown unit from OMG Her Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Today we're getting into their 3D dome cap unit, you guys. It's a new technique that they have been trying out, so I'll leave all the details to this unit down in the description box below, but we're going to get into laying my edges really quick just so we can get those out of the way. I use my edge booster, and I'm going to be slicking that back with the edge brush that they provide in your packaging, and of course popping on a flesh tone wig cap. So let's go ahead and get into the deets on this unit, you guys. So I have this 3D dome cap 9x6 pre-cut HD lace wig from them. So it has that zigzag parting in the front. That 3D dome basically just means your wig is going to be super fitted because they added that extra like grip to the back. It does have this elastic cord. It's adjustable, so it does have that security that we need. You don't have your elastic bands or the jaw straps that go to each side, but let me tell you, they did add this C-shaped design around the ears, baby, and we love that around here because it is a effortless feel going around your ear when you're rocking this unit. And we know we hate when the wigs are digging at our ears, or if you have to just really customize it, so that's not the case. But this is a 9x6, you guys, so if you're not a fan of frontals, 9x6 closure wigs are going to be your best friend because it doesn't take a lot to install. I know you kind of see that this unit is giving like natural density, so their 180 is very much so realistic. If you are trying to get into styling, I feel like this is the perfect wig to do that with. If you're just trying to do different effortless styles, this would definitely be your go-to. I went ahead and just used my lace tint mousse around this part because I felt like it was not going to go all the way over my hairline, because you can kind of see my hairline just dips down a little bit when it comes to my sides. And then I did have to remove a little bit of that lace because I did feel like it was coming too far down. But I did want to show you, if your wig is able to do this, that means that you have too much lace and you want to take it off, okay? I did use the got2b glue to lay my unit down, and I really wasn't trying to do like a super heavy melted like in the skin kind of lace look, because I wanted this to be glueless, and I wanted to show you guys that you really didn't have to do all of that for it to like look super flat. That elastic cord really is going to be your friend when it comes to that security, and you won't even have to use any hairsprays if you didn't want to. That's why I didn't go in with an elastic band. And then next, I'm just going to take my got2b glue, and I'm going to flatten everything out up there using my T3 curling iron.
Good loving, feel so numb, ride me till I'm about to. I see you are about to climb, act so, oh girl, don't be shy.
All right, girlies, so we pretty much took this 22 all the way up to a 18, and then I like to take my shears at an angle, and I'm just going to rake the hair as if I was using a razor. I don't like it to be too far away from the longest length, but I am going to make sure that it's feathered. So I pretty much work in sections to achieve this type of layer look, and then afterwards I like to take the top pieces and then start adding some feathered layers as well, just so the hair does not fall at one length in the back. And once you curl it, you'll kind of gauge like if you need to add some extra layers, or if you want to cut a little bit more pieces, or whatever the case. But always start long, do not start short, and then curl the hair to help guide you on how you want your feathered appearance to fall on you. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to curling her up, but as you can see, she's looking pretty good. At first I felt like this hair was just one solid color. Once I curl it and push it back, like it's giving darker at the rootage.
So you know I just want to spit, yeah. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. Whatever you take, so good loving, feel so numb, ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to claim. Ask her, oh girl, don't be shy. You ain't shy, that's what I'm here for. I'm ready. On your downtown, when around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. They won't know, they won't know. Girl, you're beautiful.
You can see I'm just flattening the top part, making sure that this is falling into my face how I like it to. And you can add those clips just to ensure that they're staying. But honestly, this density is so perfect that I didn't even have to do all of that. And I thought she ate. Okay, I'm gonna open up the part a little bit. Oh, but before I do that, I'm adding this argan oil and got2b glue mix into the hair. And when I say she just did it, she brought everything together. Topped it off with a little bit more got2b glue, and then we're going to open up that part with some concealer and then close it up with some black hairspray. I wanted it to match like the ombre look. So yeah, it's gorgeous, okay? Take advantage of the discount code that I have down in the description box. It's Tatiana30. OMG, her hair has great, amazing units, you guys, and I feel like they're only getting better with time. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, girlies.